In this video, we will discuss about probability and question related with this. Firstly, question arises, what is probability? Then, the probability is like a chance. If someone says, today weather condition is not good, there might be a chance that rain will happen. Rain will happen or not. Their chance will be occurred. Where the chance will occur, probability will be happened. In this video, we will learn about probability by taking three types of question. First one would be coin, second would be by dice, third by taking the example of playing card. In case of coin, we will see two cases, when one coin is tossed and when two coins is tossed. Similarly, in case of dice, we will see when one dice is thrown and when two dice is thrown, and question related with which outcome which occur. And in third case, by seeing playing cards, its concept and related with question also. Now let's begin.
Question of probability. In case of coin, when we toss, two outcome will occur, either head or tail. If anyone asks that what would be the probability of getting head or tail when a coin is tossed, the probability of getting head or tail solution will be number of outcome favorable upon total number of all possible outcome. So the answer will be 1/2 in case of tail or head. Similarly, when we toss a coin two times, then the favorable outcome will be head head, head tail, tail head or tail tail. Now we will see the concept of dice. In case of dice, when we throw a dice, then 6 outcome will be occur. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. Let's see question related with this. Suppose we throw a dice once, what is the probability of getting a number greater than 4? Second question, what is the probability of getting a number less than or equal to 4? Solution will be probability of getting the number greater than 4 will be outcome will be 2 by getting number 5 and 6, and total number of possible outcomes is 6, so the probability is 2/6. In second question, getting a number less than or equal to 4, number of possible outcome is 6 and number of favorable events is 1, 2, 3, 4. Hence the number of outcome favorable, so the probability will be 4/6 is equal to 2/3. Similarly, when we throw a dice two times, then the number of possible outcome will be 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, and as shown in the figure. There will be 36 outcome. Now we will see the question related with this. When two dice are thrown, then what are the probability that the sum of the two number appearing on the top of the dice is 8, 13, less than or equal to 12. In case of 8, we will see in figure there 5 outcome are occur. So the probability will be 5/36. Second question, the sum of the two number will be 13. So the favorable outcome will be, in any case, there will be not any single number. As we see in the figure, any number. As we see in the figure, there is no any number that the sum will be greater than 12. And in question, it is asked that the sum of two number will be 13. So the favorable outcome will be 0. Hence probability will be 0/36 is equal to 0. Next question, sum of two number will be less than or equal to 12. Since all the favorable outcome is less than or equal to 36, since all the favorable outcome is less than or equal to 12, so the probability will be 36/36 is equal to 1. Now we will see the concept of card. There are 52 cards. Cards are divided into 4 parts: diamond, heart, club, spade. Each part is divided into 13. There are 13 diamond, 13 heart, 13 clubs, 13 spade. Diamond and heart are of red color, club and spade are of black color. In each diamond, heart, club and spade, there is king, queen, jack, ace, number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hence, by counting king, queen, jack, ace, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 30 number occur. and 13 into 4 is equal to 52, hence 52 cards. Now we will see question related with this. One card is drawn from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. Calculate the probability that the card will be an S. As in the figure, we see that S, there are 4 S in diamond, in heart, in club and spade. So the probability will be 4 by 52, it means 1 by 13. Second question is not be an S. So we will subtract 52 minus 4 is equal to 48, not SS. Hence the possible outcome will be 52. Probability will be 48 by 52 is equal to 12 by 13. Okay, thank you.